Hello there, guys and gals. Good morning. I really miss this one. Pancakes. Excuse me. Ah, sorry. And I also have here a sausage McMuffin with egg. Come on. Sige. Come over here, guys. Let's have some breakfast. My ever-loving favorite. Excuse me, sorry. Sorry. Oh, gosh. I also have here a hash brown. Together with the pineapple. Not orange juice.